Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this Photoshop tutorial you will learn about Smart Object and how to use it. First of all, you must know what is Smart Objects. A Smart Object is a Photoshop layer that contains all the same image information of a normal layer, but a Smart Object layer will allow you to perform non-destructive edits. For example, you can resize the image as often as you want without causing any degradation. I will show you in an example. In this two layer has same image. One layer I am going to convert to Smart Object. For that, right click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object from the layer options. Now you can see rectangle shape on the bottom right corner of the layer thumbnail. Hold Shift key to and click the below layer to select both layers. Now I am going to resize this image. For that, go to Edit menu and choose Free Transform from the options. Now you can see transform options. Set width to 1% and press Enter to apply it. It is very small now. Once again, go to Edit menu and choose Free Transform from the options. Resize back to large image using controls. After resizing the layer, you can see Smart Object layer is clearly visible and normal layer lost its quality. I will show you another example using Smart Object. Just assume we gotta work to create business card. Client asks for color business card. Before taking this artboard copy, let's convert all contents to Smart Objects. For that, select all text layer using Shift key and right click any selected layer, then choose Convert to Smart Object from the options. Hold Alt key, click and drag on the artboard name to duplicate this artboard. Let's change artboard background color to 4 different colors. For that, double-click on the color overlay and change color like this. Now if you want to change the contents, no need to go and edit all the artboard. Just double-click on the Smart Object layer to edit the contents. Now Smart Object layer is opened as a separate layer. Content is not visible because of transparent area. To see clearly, just create a layer on bottom of layer and fill the foreground color. Use Alt backspace to fill the foreground color. Now we can edit very easily. Hide this background fill layer before saving this document. After changing the content, just save this file and check the main document. Now you can see changes reflected in all artboard. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel to get latest updates.